Hello, everyone. My name is Shiloh Riley, and I'm here today to discuss Joshua's lesson plans, education standards, and basically everything about school, and hopefully get to know you all along the way also. Now, before I get into everything, I would like to introduce myself. Like I said before, my name is Shiloh Riley, but please feel free to call me Miss Shiloh or Shiloh. And I would say that my favorite color is pink. My favorite season is fall. Um, and in my free time, I love hanging out with my cats and dogs. And I'm just excited to be here, and I'm excited to help your son learn and just excel in school. I am so excited. And I am so excited to get to know you all along the way also. So before we get into the lesson plans and everything about that, let's go over education standards. Now, before we get into his education standards, if you do not know what that is, it's basically describing the knowledge or skills that every student should learn and also be able to do at each grade level. Now, Joshua is in the fifth grade, but he is also showing levels in kindergarten and first grade. Now, I know it can be kind of confusing to hear what that all means. What it basically means is that he is in the fifth grade, but he is also needing to learn some things in kindergarten level and first grade level. And I have made a really good lesson plan in order to help him do that. Now, let's get into the lesson plan. I am first going to begin with the virtual instructional lesson plan. Now, I have included three lessons for this. The first one I'm going to be including for him would be recognizing length. Now, with length, we're going to go over what length is, its measurement, like how do you measure something small? Do you use inches or centimeters? Do you use millimeters? Do you use feet, yards, or everything like that? We're going to discuss what all that is. And I'm also going to give him an assignment to do at home. Now, the assignment to do at home, I try to make them as fun as possible because I know school can be stressful, and I just want to make school as fun as possible by also helping him learn along the way also. So for the assignment that I gave him to do, I also gave him a worksheet to do also. So for the assignment, he's going to find things to measure at home and write down those measurements. And then he's also going to work on a worksheet. And I am going to go over the worksheet. I'm going to share my screen with you all at the end of the virtual instructional lesson plan. Now with the worksheets, like I said, I'm just going to show an example of what worksheets I'm going to include. If he feels like he needs some help on them, please feel free to email me and I will answer questions and help him along the way. And I also do like to include videos that will give him some guidance just in case he feels the need to just watch a video instead of wanting to ask me a question, which is perfectly fine. Sometimes watching the video is the way to go because you're like, this is a simple question. Maybe a video will just help me along the way instead of having the email, which is perfectly fine. I understand that completely. And then next lesson we're going to go over is addition and subtraction word problems. Now with the addition subtraction word problems, I know looking at word problems, it can be kind of overwhelming at times. And I don't want that to be the case at all. Because I know with word problems, you look at them and